Hey guys, another casual review. Please excuse the poor lighting. I'm not using the photo booth today. So, as I make model kits, I very often have plastic chips, from cleaning off the parts, and I just use my hands to clean off my photo booth. It's kind of getting annoying. So I decided to buy a cheap vacuum cleaner, a little desktop capsule vacuum cleaner, the Model C2 from this Baseus brand. And so let's take a look here. It says separated dust bins, secondary filtration, and then a bunch of legal stuff here, I think. And let's see if I can get a stable camera. 1000 PA, that's the suction ability. So 1000 is very low, by the way. I have the C3 car one from these guys, and it's like 15,000 or 18,000. But a car has to dig up rocks out of carpet. So 900 milliamp hour battery, should run around 20 minutes, and it charges by a Type-C cable, so that's good, which I always have handy. And I do find this interesting. Baseus has this like scrape and check QR code thing for, I assume, like that's a serial number or something, but this thing was so cheap I don't even care. But it did go through a quality inspection and February of 2021, so this one's pretty old now, but whatever, it's not edible, so I don't care. There is some tape here. I'm gonna just tear through it. Comes in a little bag, and then we have the cable, some instructions, and what is that? I don't know. It's a warranty card. Yeah, warranty card. I noticed this in my other Baseus vacuum. They give you these stickers. I don't know, for kids. And then we have a Chinese and English instruction manual. I don't think there's much to it. There's no light on this thing. It's either on or off. But let me see here. Charging time is 2 to 2.5 hours. That's what I'm reading there. Sorry if I lost focus. There we go, so it's right around there. I'm wondering if there's any speeds. No, I don't think there's any speeds, so quite a simple thing. Alright, there it is. Oh, this must be the nozzle thing, or the... Yeah, okay. So we have just the unit itself, and I got the white version here. You can twist it a little bit, and so that would clean that out if you want to dump it out. There's a little silicone flap here to keep the stuff inside, and then a very fine like coffee filter mesh to keep stuff from destroying the motor, although if you have really fine dust it's gonna go right through the thing, I think. Alright, I kind of wish the plastic was even more clear. And then you can put this on if you want. It's got a brush, pretty stiff brush, very much like a medium toothbrush, I guess, maybe even a hard toothbrush. My toothbrushes are softer than this. And then obviously we have a Type-C cable. Let's see if it has any sort of battery power. Yeah, it's just one speed, on and off. That's all this thing does. So some typical model plastic parts here. And then I made some over-exaggerated cuttings off my plastic screws, but this thing will even suck those up, so it does its job. If for some reason maybe you want to use this on a keyboard, perhaps that's what this would be for, maybe. Yeah, but for me, since I'm just cutting up it's just vacuuming up Gundam parts. I noticed the light there. So it's having a hard time with those really big parts. I guess it can get it eventually. Yeah, it's definitely not a very strong vacuum. But for my purposes, for a desktop, cleaning out a keyboard, I think it does the job. And this is so portable. Alright, just leave it next to your desk. There you go. Alright, so that's it. Not much to it. I rather like this. I'm happy I got it. And now I can tell when it's full of grime and stuff as well, so that's good. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next product review.